How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to go back over a stock that I've been watching for a while. I have called it amazingly perfectly on this stock, and the members who have played with me have made well over 50% returns on it. So I want to go over this stock again as it's on my radar again, and I'm really liking what I see. And I just want to show you guys my system, where we are going to look for our next profit target, and what we want to see, right? And for all the people that are know, I do have a premium Discord too. So do take the time. If you really want to learn more and how to do trend reversals and really further advance your education, it's one of the cheapest Discords out there. Just click the link down below and you'll see that how we have over 95% win ratios, and we're just constantly grinding and taking money from the market. It's like insane, guys. So for BCAN, what I want to show you guys is the two bands here are the most important for this trade. I'm going to show you. We have the EMA 10 and 20, and how do we use them is I call a unique way of time distance. Not a lot of people understand this thing, but when you look at time distance, it is something that needs to be very important in all your trades when you're looking at bottom reversals and trend reversals. Along with this bottom band here, this is where you're going to find the highest accuracy and the most confidence. When the price hits this bottom band, this green band, that is a very strong buy. It doesn't mean you get in right away, but it's just indicating a very strong buy. The upper band is a very strong sell. You should never be buying stocks at the red band. If anything, you should absolutely sell your shares. So when we're doing this time distance factor, you want to see how long have we not hit this EMA 20? Because the last time I took this trade, we alerted the trade. Let me see if I can find. We alerted the trade. Let's just use this right in here. This was the first time I alerted it, right on this candle, and then I alerted it a second time right in here. This first time right in here, we had it at 90 cents, and it went all the way to 130. And I actually took the gains at like 123-ish, so we made a nice 30%, and then it pulls back, and then bam, it hits this EMA 10. Look what it does to a T. And then a lot of people were thinking, okay, it's going to keep going up, or we're going to hold it, but then it starts going down, and it lost a lot of its gains. You don't ever just want to hold it just for the thing. If you see this hit the EMA 10, take your profit, and then hold 1/4 shares is what I teach in my Discord for this further gain at the EMA 20. But you got to make sure you take the profits when it gets to it, because these penny stocks do tend to lose gains fast. As you can see, if we didn't take the profit on this one, we would have lost all the gains and would have made a new low. So what am I seeing for this next pump? What I love to see is, one, we know the price has to hit the EMA 10 and 20. Those are the two EMAs that it has to hit in amount of time frame. It doesn't matter if it's a penny stock or OTC. It's going to hit this EMA 10 and 20, and anything that doesn't hit the EMA 10 in 1 month time frame is super long. And look what we had, 228 all the way to 417. So it was super long. So that's why I found out that, once we were hitting this, we were good to go to start buying. Why did I not buy this one right here? Because of time distance. Time distance ignored all these candles down in here, and then so that's the perfect thing about this strategy. You'd be like, oh, why didn't you buy? Because of time distance and a K on the KDJ, which is this indicator down here. So we made massive money on these two scalps right in here, and then right in here, and oh, my bad. Here, yeah, right here. And then you could have made money on here, but I didn't see the trade till right in here and here. So we hit the EMA 10. That is mission accomplished. Algos did it to a T, but we did not hit the EMA 20. And if you look at the time distance on the EMA 20, we didn't touch it till this candle to a T right in here. That is 2/27/2024. Well, the current date is 5/05. This is exciting, guys. I'm telling you, 227 to 505. So 227 to 327, and 327 to 427, and then 427 to 505. You're looking at, wow, 2 months, and you got about 2 months and like a week or two. So, but remember, since this is a reverse split stock, as you can see, they did a 1 for 190. The rolls do quite it could take longer than it usually does. It will touch the EMA 10, but as you can see, it took a little longer than that 1 month time frame, right? It took a 1 month and like 2 weeks. So it did take a little longer. Do I think that the EMA 20 is going to touch very soon? Absolutely. I think it's going to be 2 months and about 2 weeks. We are at 227. Remember, we touched the EMA 20. And then the next touch, and it's 505, so 327, 427. I think next week, or I don't want to give a solid prediction like this, guys. But as the week times goes by, as you can see, this EMA 20 does go down, every day. So you want to make sure you have plenty of room up to this EMA 20. But 90 cents all the way to 1.76 is plenty of room. That's almost 100%. What I would suggest is obviously accumulation. Never go all in on these because we're not playing the bottom band this time. As you can see, the bottom band's way down here. So it's not like one of my, oh, I have to get into it. Like down in here, this was an amazing play here, and then amazing play here because I love that EMA 10 distance. Look at the EMA 10 distance when it was here to here. It was amazing. We had this at 90 cents. The EMA 10 was at 2.92, and obviously it wasn't going to hit that right away because it was a little too big of a distance. But I have a lot of faith, we can get a nice move. And I know a lot of people probably see this. Look at this nice little wedge we're forming here. This is absolutely freaking beautiful, right? I know a lot of you guys saw this, right? We're getting very close to where we're narrowing it down and constantly respecting the trend line here. We're getting closer and closer and closer. So I expect, yes, within 1 week or 2 weeks, we get out of this wedge. Do we go up or do we go down? According to my time distance strategy, we go up. Because, I can't say for sure. Obviously, I put all my money into it. There's no 100% thing in trading. But we know we got to hit this. It's been dragged out a lot. We're at 2 months and 2 weeks time frame. Or 2 months and a week or something. We should be hitting this, in my prediction, 1 to 2 weeks. That's my absolute solid prediction. And if it takes 2 weeks, then it'll probably be right here at maybe 130. And still, that is massive gains. I'm looking for... I tell my Discord members, we take profit all the time at 10%. We take out the 3/4 share, and then we hold the 1/4 share. So if you have 1,000 shares, you take 750, 10%, hold the 250 for your EMA 10 and 20s, and that's what we do constantly, right? You take this, and then bam, hit the EMA 10, we take it out, and now in this case, we're holding for the next objective is your EMA 20. We want to see this get hit very fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have not been wrong with BCAN. It's just been a freaking money-making machine as long as you ignored all the false signals. I know a lot of people kept buying and buying and buying, and what I hate to see is a lot of people say, well, BCAN was $38 here. This is, considering the split, and then it goes down to $19. It must be a good buy. Okay, and then it drops again. It's at $5. It must be a good buy now. And then it drops again. It's at $2. Do not ever use price dropping as a good buy signal because there's no theory at all into how low a price can actually go, and you're just kind of guessing and throwing darts. In this theory, we're using ATR levels. We know when price hits close to the green band with the low K on the KDJ and time distance from the EMA 10, I assure you we are getting very close to a buy, and you're going to be very confident, and you're not going to be throwing random darts, because if you don't have this strategy and you just don't see anything, you are throwing darts. You're like, okay, well, gap here. Okay, it goes down. It goes to here, a gap here. You're just randomly guessing, and you're just basing on, yeah, look at this massive gap. You're just throwing darts because price has moved down a lot. Don't ever trade based on if a stock goes to $20 and straight to $2, that does not mean a buy. If it goes freaking to $100 to $1, it does not mean a buy. You want to make sure the system tells you when it's a buy, and I promise you, if you use this system, it's one of the best strategies for swing trading with an over. This is one of the best strategies with an over 95% win ratio, and I can prove that to you with my members in here. If you guys want to further your career with only 20 cents a day for a membership, $6 a month, I promise you I'm going to work my butt off to make you guys freaking rich. That is my goal in this Discord. It's not about, keeping my secrets. I've been hustling it up, trying to find what is the best trend reversal strategy instead of chasing when a stock goes up. I want to be in early and I want to sell to the chasers. So when you get into this premium Discord, click the link down below into the YouTube comments. I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my favorite trades, and it'll also be in the YouTube description. You can't miss it. When you click on the link, it'll take you to the free chat landing page. Now, they do not offer Android to subscribe, so you will have to do it on your browser or computer. But it's actually smart if you subscribe on the computer because you avoid the iOS fee. So when you go to the subscriptions tab here, you can click on Premium Chat, and it will take you into would you be opted in to subscribe. It is only $6 a month for my swing trading service. It's one of the cheapest out there, and that's just to get your feet wet and just try it out. There's a reason why I like that, because I want to make sure every members can do it, right? So if it's only 20 cents a day or $6 a month, and you'll be highly rewarded, you're going to really love it. Like I said, it's over 95% win ratio. As long as you're patient and you follow the guidelines, and my swing trades will look like this. As you can see, with lots of members, I post on exactly what I look for with entries and exits, education videos that I will post every now and then about the updates of the strategy. I posted a lot of updates about this. I recently uploaded a new video on my indicators, on how you get the indicators to look like this, on where a beginner could do this and look at it and be like, okay, if all three of these boxes match, time distance, we're near the lower band, and we have a low K on the KDJ, which I didn't really talk about much, but I have a video about the KDJ. It is confident to buy, but we never go all in. We have a nice profit target, and we know how to accumulate shares, and I talk all about that. So I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. We have a lot of services coming in. We have day trading. We're going to have options tradings coming soon, but this is one of the things to get your feet in, get into the service, make some money, and so you can give your family financial freedom. So I hope you guys do take the time to join. And if you like this video about my BCAN on how my unique way of trading, swing trading, trend reversals, as I know nobody has this strategy, because I looked for it, and it was something I had to develop myself, customize these settings, customize the bands, the EMA 10s and 20s, and how to really accurately get it to look like this. And I'm sure you guys are going to love it because there's no FOMO and no chasing. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what your average share price is. Any engagement helps the video, share it to other users on YouTube, and it helps me want to keep making videos because I see the love is given. BCAN is going to pump. I know that, and it's just a matter of when. My guess is this week. It is May 5th, so if you guys are watching this and it's later out, I expect within 1 week to 2 weeks from May 5th, this price is going to touch the EMA 20, but the EMA 20 is what I'm thinking it's going to get around 130 to 150 area by the time it probably touches it. I think we have a lot of good stuff going in. As you can see, we're having this nice wedge for a nice breakout. But you got to know is when it touches that EMA 20, you better get out of that price and stop holding it, because as you can see, when it touches the EMA 10, we went down some bit, so you don't want to be holding on to that. So definitely join the Discord. You'll have the education, and I hope to see you guys there, and let's make some money.